Welcome to my channel. This is Mommy's TV makeup. You can swirl them well and then the water change your color. I also paint them. Swirls. Okay, get the thumbs up if you like toys in my box. Wine, glitter, toys, glitter.
To start off this look, I'm using my eyeshadow base by P.Louise in the original formula, and I'm just going to get that on with a brush to blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with Golden Peach highlight powder from the contour kit of Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to use that to set my base on my brow bone and right at the crease. Now I'm going to use this glow palette from Color Story, and Color Story is a new brand for me. They are cruelty free and based in New York. They have 6 palettes total, and I just wanted to try out their pigment and formula for you guys. So here it is. This is definitely my first time ever using this eyeshadow, so I went in with this really light color, and to my surprise the pigment is there. They are so pigmented, and there was very minimal fallout, and I was super impressed. So I do show you guys a different look later on in another tutorial, but for this one I wanted to just show you how to do a smoky eye just using one eyeshadow, because this really was a test run for me and I took an opportunity to teach you a beginner level smoky eye. So I'm just getting this all over my eyes, and as you can see, depending on the brush, the eyeshadow did have a different tone to it. So it looks a little bit more blue on the crease and a little bit more pastel purple on the lid, and that was all due to the brush that I used and the location of the eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to highlight my inner corners using a very tiny little brush to get into those spaces. Remember, depending on your brush, you're going to be able to achieve the look that you want. So for small areas, you use smaller brushes. You use tapered brushes for your crease area, and always a nice flat shadow brush for your entire lid. The bigger the brush, the more area it's going to cover, so if you want to be precise, you want to use a smaller brush. I'm going to have a list of all the products that I'm using as well as the brushes if you like the brushes that I am using in this tutorial. This eyeliner is absolutely bomb. The only thing I did realize that recently I was laughing hysterical from a reel that I did on Instagram, and I leaked my eyeliner all over. It was all over my eye and my crease, so it is not waterproof. And thankfully I found that out in the comfort of my home and not like somewhere that I was crying or anything. Not that I cry in public or anything, but you know what I mean. Now I'm just going to conceal, and I like to just apply concealer to the inner corner and outer corner of my under eye, and then I blend it out. So this way I don't use too much product. For me, less is more, especially underneath the eye. As you get older, you don't want to have a lot of product settling into your fine lines, because that just makes things worse. Now I'm just going to take these 2 powders and use them to set. So the Pat McGrath is going all over, and of course we all know my Becca Pink Haze powder is going underneath my eyes. As you see, I'm using a big fluffy brush because I want to get this job done, and then I'm using my beauty blender, the pointed edge, for everywhere else because I don't want this powder all over, but more in targeted areas. For some finishing touches, I'm going to go in with my NYX lip liner. This is from the Slide On Glide On. This color is called Urban Cafe. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I use it all the time because I love the texture. So I keep this right in my makeup drawer. And the lipstick I went old school with, this is Taupe from MAC Cosmetics. It is an oldie but goodie for me, and that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you would give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you are new, and till my next video, stay beautiful.